Ekiterane eki kyetabirwemu abeegi ba za siniya za Kashenyi, Rwabukoba, Katurika, Bishop Ruhindi Kebsoni, Nyabitete, Nyakajeme, Central Fire Nyakanyinya, Bugangari na Makerere College of Computer and Business Studies. Dr. Edson Matsiko agizire ngu okuchondoza nkworeka ngu ebitokoza bwongo nkenja inakuba nebishisho bwongo kiretera omuntu yaremwa kuteekateeka n'okwishuka omu myaka 5 atandikire kubikozesa.
When you begin drugs are called together carry, these drugs gradually step by step have what we call a degenerative effect on your brain. A degenerative effect on your brain. As you grow, you began drugs at 20, that by 45 years of age, you have graduated what we call early dementia.
Dr. Edson Matsiko ayongereye ashabe eminyeto okwetantara okuteerana omu nshonga z'abakuru batakamazire emishomo yabo.
And they are insisting on the Karon. When you know Yaro, Lugaro, Kaiwan, Ugabataka Koko Kayo, Ugabataka Koko Kayo, Ugabatkana Makina, we need him up. Ugabataka Generasi, Otiro Kawana,
Reverend Munturivu Shabahanga orukurira ebyobwegyese omu bureberezi bwa North Kigezi nagira ngu bakatandikaho ekiterane eki okurwanisa okuruga omu mashomero okwabeegi habo okuburengesho
gwabyo no kwiriza abana hihi na Ruhanga kandi okubafokasinga on their future ahabwo kuba abana bingi tureba abamwe nibabura focus barwo mu mashomero abamwe barwo mu kwega abandi byo kwega babirgaho konka kuba no bagandira Yesu the author of their lives.
Reverend Ivan Mwongera orumukuru w'ishomero lya Kashenyi Secondary School nagira ngu nibakunda ebiterane ahabo kundisa abeegi mukama bakareka emico embi
cha conference omu ishomero nkeri nangwana n'amashomero agandi no kugira ngo abana spiritually barakura baino kwetegerezana no kumanya kandi bategeke Ruhanga ategeke emitima yabo habwo kujunwa
hano gwe kubikubura munonga na yetamwa bumwe nibandi bajya mu kwega tibashenda kwega kugira ngo bashwarira ishomero nobwe bagume omuka so aija inenako mweno kirebe nako niwe kushobera oronde nico kumukorera kikubura niwe to kubasa kumukwatiraho oreba ngogu naza kudroping kandi in future bamwe barugire muno mashomero abo kugira ngo abazire tibakubafaho tibakubahereza ebiri bari kwetenga
agagasha kwa Smart Robert Mugabe ahabwa Tayari West.